Hi everyone, it's Dominika Stapa here with Creativity for Wellbeing, and this is day 15 of our challenge. On this little page, I'm going to create a waves or flow. I'm just following my hand and my intuition, and I'm adding word calm. It's just the overall vibe today and how I feel, and how the page looked like reminds me of that word. So I'm just letting my intuition guide me, and I'm not really overthinking any of those little pages. It's pretty much an intuitive process, so just go with the flow. Don't judge the process and don't judge your ideas. I'm going to add little stars and also some dots just to connect the page with the previous one, and I'm adding some drops, watercolor drops. It's interesting to see how craft paper reacts with watercolor. It seems more wild and it bleeds a bit more and spreads a bit differently than on white craft paper, so it's nice to experiment with different types of paper. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and perhaps consider subscribing, and thank you so much for watching.